If you are in any of the interfaces of ModelRisk and you click on Help, it will show you the page specific to that particular feature. It's hyperlinked through the content so that you can easily browse. There are many different topics that you can look at. You can search within the help file. Each topic has its own reference number. So if I was to look into any one of these topics here, go down to the bottom, you will see a reference number N0866. If I type that into here, N0866, enter, you will see that it refers very specifically to that page, which is a useful way of referencing on with colleagues. For insert function, and pick a ModelRisk function, click on this help file, and it will pull up the topic associated with that particular distribution or whatever the function is. In the Resource Center, there is a field for you to type in a word or a search phrase, click on search, and it will pull up the ModelRisk help file with that phrase already discussed.